This week's top stories. RICS to gather input on residential retrofit standard. RICS has launched an 8-week-long consultation to gather opinions from industry professionals on the new RICS residential retrofit standard for 2023. The data gathered will be used to create a framework so RICS members can advise their customers on retrofit options in their homes. Michael Gove refuses planning permission to demolish M&S Oxford Street store. M&S was granted planning permission in 2021 to demolish the Art Deco building to replace it with a 10-story block of offices and a public arcade. On the 20th of July 2023, Secretary of State Michael Gove published his decision to refuse the demolition of the building, on the grounds of sustainability and heritage issues. Cleaning costs will rise by 28% over the next 5 years. The Building Cost Information Service predicts that the cleaning costs will rise by 28% between now and 2028. The Building and Construction Data Analyst also says that the maintenance costs will rise by nearly 20% in the same forecast period.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.